Hello everyone, and today I want to give you a quick look at the customer service of ExpressVPN's live chat support. Many VPNs do have live chat, but a lot of them struggle with customer support and making sure they are providing the client with proper knowledge. And other times it could be just language barriers. Now, with ExpressVPN, I've communicated with their live chat support many times before, and it's been a great experience so far. They always go above and beyond to answer all my questions to the best of their knowledge, and today I wanted to share that little experience with you guys so that you can get a feel for what their support is like. So I wasn't really having any trouble with the VPN itself or anything, so I decided to ask a few questions here and there to try to kind of test how they will respond and what kind of information will they provide. So here I asked about the source code of Lightway, their new protocol, and if there's any proof that the Lightway protocol is as secure as Express claims it to be. Turns out Lightway is actually an open source protocol and apparently has been audited by several third parties, but none of the audits have been made public yet. But they are working on providing public source code in the near future, and the agent did say that Lightway uses Wolf SSL, which has been extensively audited and certified, which is definitely reassuring. When I asked about the OpenVPN source code audits for OpenVPN, he said that this wasn't available either, but he did link me to OpenVPN support in case I had any further questions. Now, I already know that OpenVPN is a very well-established and secure protocol that's used by nearly all VPNs in the industry. But I'm just trying to give you guys a look into how they might handle these types of questions. I then proceeded to ask about how I can keep myself obfuscated and keep my ISP from peeping on my traffic in a censorship-heavy country. And long story short, he told me that Express already obfuscates everything without having to toggle anything, which is one of the things that makes Express truly effective in these countries. Top-notch encryption and a true no-logs policy to keep you as secure as possible. And finally, I asked him about Media Streamer and which regions it unblocks. If you didn't know, Media Streamer is a service unique to Express where it will allow you to unblock streaming services from the UK and the US without having to download the VPN onto your device, or any device that might not be compatible or have the ability to download the ExpressVPN client, which can be very helpful. And before I closed up the chat, I just asked for the latest audit that Express had, which was in 2020. And when asked about their plans for the 2021 audits, he said that they don't have any announcements regarding a 2021 audit, at least not yet. So, as you can tell, they are pretty patient and will try to provide you with all the links and information you need. Shout out to Luca, thanks for helping me out with all these questions that I had for you. He was definitely pretty patient. I did spend about over 30 minutes just asking him all these questions, and he did a great job, so thanks a lot for that. Honestly, Express are already well known for their great customer support, but hopefully this sort of live example gave you a more hands-on showcase of their customer support, which continues to be one of the best in the industry. Now, if you're interested in more of an in-depth review, you'll find a link in the description below, alongside links to pricing and discounts, so keep an eye out for that if you end up getting Express. You'll definitely be saving yourself some more cash using the links below. Now, if you don't feel like watching the review and want a quick take on Express, I'll just say that Express is one of those VPNs that do the job as quickly and efficiently as possible while keeping your data very secure. And there is evidence in real-life examples which really verify their true no-logs policy, which you'll find more details about in the review linked below. Express really is just a very efficient VPN. I personally don't really look for features that are too advanced when I need to use a VPN. Usually a kill switch, split tunneling, and a few protocol selections will do it for me as long as the VPN doesn't bug out or randomly disconnects every now and then. And with Express, honestly, I haven't had any trouble with their service yet. And when I do, you'll definitely see me address that in the next review of ExpressVPN. Otherwise, let me know what other aspects of Express or any other VPN you'd like me to examine or review. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.